Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna see what is method overriding in Java and understand the concept of method overriding with an example. So while it, let us just get started. Before introducing to you the concept of method overriding, I would like to introduce to you the concept of polymorphism and its types in brief. So what is polymorphism? Polymorphism in Java lets us to perform a single action in different ways. If we have a parent class and we have to declare it in multiple subclasses, then we can do it with the feature of polymorphism. So let us dive into its types. There are two types of polymorphism. One is runtime polymorphism and the other is compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism is an example of method overloading which we have discussed in the previous video. The link is provided in the description, you may go and refer to it. The second one is runtime polymorphism, which we are going to discuss it today. So, runtime polymorphism is an example of method overriding, which is a feature that provides us with a subclass or a child class to be created, which is already implemented in a superclass or a parent class. The definition is quite confusing. So, let me just give you an example which will crystal clear your concept. Here we have a parent class which is lion. Here I am trying to create a parent class now. My lion is the parent class and here I am trying to create this method which is roar. So I'll try to print a line that system.out.println I will roar. So my lion will roar. So here the same way I have created another class which is a dog and is a child class or a subclass. Here my dog extends lion. I have inherited the dog class from my lion. So here the same way I will create the same method. So here it is clear that if the method in a subclass has same name, same return type, same status in a superclass, then the method is set to override. So here I am trying to override. I am trying to inherit my dog from lion and trying to create the same method which I have created in the lion class. So here it is said to be overridden. My system.out.println I will bark. So in this case my dog will bark and I'm trying to create a main method now and I'll create two objects here. Lion object 1 is equals to new lion. Object 1, my object 1 is for lion and my object 2 is for dog. So here we'll try to create new lion and my object 1 is for roar and my object 2 is for roar only. So here two objects are same, so it is said to be overriding method. So we will go into the compiler and discuss it, like we'll get a crystal clarity on what is this concept. So while let us dive into the compiler now. Here we'll try with a new example which is class vehicle, which is the parent class, and now I'll try to create a void which is my manufacturing year. And now I'll try to print out that, I'll try to just use the snippet. Car is manufactured in 1991. Now here we will try to class model extends vehicle. So my parent class has the model, like I have inherited from my vehicle. My model is inherited from vehicle. The same method we need to create here also, and now I'll try to print a line that the model is Ford Fortune. Now we are almost at the end. Now I'll try to create the main class. Main class is created. Public static void main. Everything is done. Now we just gotta declare the objects. Now my object will be here. We will create our two objects. Now my first object will be vehicle. Object 1 equals to new vehicle, which is a local variable. Be careful about the spellings. If your spelling is not correct also, compiler might show you errors. Here I'm trying to define my object 1, which is new vehicle, and in the same way I will define my object 2 here, which is my model of the vehicle. Vehicle object 2 is equals to new model. So here I'm trying to declare my model in vehicle only, because it is under the child. My model is a child class which is under the parent class, which is vehicle. Now in the same way I'm going to declare manufacturing here, which is a kind of. Now we are done. So I'll try to run the code and see. There are no errors. Car is manufactured in 1991 and the model is Fortune. So you can declare multiple subclasses under your parent class. So it is overriding, but you need to just be careful about the same method, and you need to declare every object which is same related to the parent class only. You may create another class also, so let us just declare another class and see. So here let us try to create a new class now, which is my class car extends vehicle. You need to inherit this class because it will be not overridden if you are not going to inherit the vehicle class, which is the parent class. Now I'll try to print a line that it is a new car. So here I've already created the new object. Vehicle object 3 equals to new car, and object 3 that manufacturing here. So in these two scenarios I have created vehicle only, because my car and model are the subclasses under my vehicle, which is the parent class. So I'll try. So here's our output. Car is manufactured in 1991. The model is Ford Fortune and it is a new car. So like this you can create many classes and objects. So if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.